Hi there, Atunde here. Today is the unboxing of Infinix HOT 9. This is one of the smartphones that has the latest trending display of punch-hole screens, and here is the 32GB ROM plus 2GB RAM variant. So let's cut the chase and get down to business. Infinix HOT 9 price in Nigeria, slot, Jumia, is 54,500 naira. Down to the spec, you can find this at the back of the package. Let's go through this. Powered by a monstrous 5000 lithium battery with the processor being MediaTek Helio A25. The main screen is a large 6.6-inch size with the front-facing camera being 8 megapixel and the rear camera is 13 megapixel. These components run smoothly on a OS Android 10 version. This device comes in 4 eye-catching colors: media black, quasar cyan, violet, and the ocean waves. In common color terms, they are black, blue, violet, and teal colors. I got the ocean waves color. So let's unpack this package and see what's inside. Okay, the first thing you are greeted with is the smartphone itself. Wow, let's get the device to a side. The next thing you are going to see is the customer service card from Infinix. There's a sales copy, a shop copy, and a customer copy, nothing more. So next is the SIM injector too, followed by the pouch and the X Club card with the charger, 2 amps charger, a micro cable one, and the earphones, which are good for music lovers or radio hearers. After that, nothing more, just the pack, and let's keep that. Now back to the phone. You can see this is all you have in the Infinix HOT 9 pack. I like this baby because it's looking very good and cutie in hand, powered by this 5000 monstrous, and the color at the back is just eye-catchy. The cameras at the back make this beautiful baby more exceptional. The AI core camera with the micro lens and the punch-hole screen is just beautiful. I can't say nothing bad about that. As you can see, let me peel the back also. Wow, this ocean wave color is really enticing. Let's power this device and see how it goes. Infinix, the future is now. Wow, nice entry. XOS. Okay, let me start it up. The security settings start. Alright, take just about 2 to 3 minutes to get up and running. Okay, here the launcher is setting up my desktop and it's up. Okay, the launcher is still accessing some stuff there. Not bad so far, not bad. And from the look of things, the camera is not bad too. The 16 megapixel camera is not bad for taking shots. And the game side, I would like to say this game side is slow a bit, but here is the testing of Danger Dash. So let me just play it for the first time and see. Not bad. The screen is quite responsive and the display is very impressive, I must say. You can see catching coins there. So for the sake of battery life, this smartphone needs to be charged for the first use. So here is the unboxing, and let me power the device off. Please subscribe so that I can get the full review of this Infinix HOT 9 when it is out. So that is all on Infinix HOT 9 unboxing, the prices and the specs here in Nigeria. Peace.